Let's review how to use the audio sample accordion on the audio editor page of Toolkit.law. Select the Tools section, then the Audio Editor page. Click on the Audio Sample Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can quickly preview and test your audio recordings directly in your browser, no downloads or external software required. Whether you're reviewing deposition excerpts, verifying consultation recordings, or ensuring audio clarity before case submission, this tool delivers fast, reliable playback. You can adjust playback speed, listen for accuracy, and once satisfied, download your audio in multiple formats. You can also share it securely. For legal professionals managing critical evidence and client recordings, Toolkit.law's audio sample accordion ensures clarity, speed, and precision, keeping your workflow secure and courtroom ready. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's audio sample accordion.